Very good morning, children. Sairam. So, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are doing good. Right? Okay, so are you all ready for today's session? Yes, very good. So, in the previous class, what we have learned? So, we have learned the ing form of the doing words. Right? ing form. How to add ing to the doing words. Right? There are three types. Right? So, the first type is just add the ing to the given doing word, right? And the second one is, if the doing word is n with the letter e, then we have to remove that e and we have to add ing to the doing word, given doing word, right? And the third type is, we have to double the last letter, right? Like swim. swim is swim. So if we add ing to the swim, what we have to do? We have to double the last letter m. So swimming is swiming. Okay. So these are the three types we have learned in the previous class, and we have learned this table, right? How to add am, is, are, right? This am and is for singular, okay, and are is for plural, okay, plural nouns, okay. If I comes, then we have to write am and ing form of the doing word, okay. If he, she, it come, then we have to write is and ing form of the doing word, okay. If we or they or you comes, then we have to write are and ing form of the doing word, okay. So these are all the things we have learned in the previous class, right? So based on this, we are going to complete the given sentences. Okay. So complete these sentences by using is, am, or are and the ing form of the verbs given in brackets. Okay. One has been done for you. Okay. So they have given the doing words in the brackets. So we are going to add is or am or are and ing form of the given doing word. Okay. So one has been done. First one, I dash for my bus. I dash for my bus. And the doing word is wait. So I is there. If I comes, then we have to add am. Okay, I am and ing form of the verb. So wait. So we can directly add ing. Okay, so I am waiting for my bus. Okay, so similarly, shall we do for the remaining sentences? Yes? Okay. So the second sentence is, some children dash television. Some children dash television. The verb is watch. Okay. So some children is plural, right? So we have to use are, okay, are and ing form of this verb, okay. So some children are watching television. So we can directly add ing to this verb watch, okay. So some children are watching. Watching television. Okay. Some children are watching television. So why we have written are here? Because children. Children is plural. Okay. So we have written are. Okay. The third sentence is my mother and father dash food. My mother and father dash food. The doing word is cook. Okay, cook. So my mother and father. So two persons. So it is plural. So what we have to write? Are. Okay. So are plus ing form of the verb cook. Okay. So my mother and father are cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. So my mother and father are cooking food. Okay. So you can copy down in your textbook. Okay children. So take your textbook, New Voices textbook, and you can copy down this in your textbook. Okay. Fourth sentence. The teacher dash at me. The teacher dash at me. The verb is look. Verb is look. The teacher. The teacher is one person, right? So it is a singular. So what we have to use here? Is, right? The teacher is ing form of the verb look. Looking. Okay. L-O-O-K-I-N-G. Looking at me. Okay. The teacher is looking at me. Okay. Fifth sentence. The cat dash the milk. The cat dash the milk. Verb is drink. Drink. So first we have to use am or is or are. Right? So the cat. The noun is the cat. It is singular or plural. The cat means a single cat. Right? So it is a singular. So we have to use is. Okay. So the cat is ing form of drink. Is drinking. Okay. So D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. Okay. The cat is drinking the milk. Okay. The sixth sentence. They dash a game. They dash a game. Verb is play. Play. So the noun is they. It is singular or plural? It is plural. Right? So we have to use are. Okay. They are ing form of the verb play. Playing. They are playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. So they are playing a game. Okay. So the next one. Look at the picture. Then complete the story using is, am or and the ing form of the verb given in the brackets. Okay. So we are going to complete the story using is, am, or are and ing form of the given verb. Okay. So what is this? Annual day. So some skit is going on, right? So some people are watching the skit, right? Okay. So this is the story. We dash our annual day. We dash our annual day. The verb is attend. Okay. So we. Noun is we. It is singular or plural? Plural, right? So we have to use are. Okay. So we are. ing form of attend. We are attending. Okay. We are attending. Just add ing to the verb attend. Okay. We are attending our annual day. The principal and the teachers dash us. The principal and the teachers dash us. Verb is help. So the noun is here principal and the teachers. So it is plural. Okay, so what we have to use? We have to use are. Okay. So the principal and the teachers are help. ing form of help is helping. Right? Helping. So we are attending. We are attending here, and the principal and the teachers are helping. HELPING. Helping us. There are many guests. There are many guests. The students dash on the stage. The students dash on the stage. Verb is perform. Perform. The students. The noun is the students. It is singular or plural? Plural, right? The noun is plural. So we have to use are. Okay. The students are. ing form of performing is performing. The students are performing. Just add ing. Okay. Performing on the stage. Okay. All the parents dash watch. All the parents dash watch the show. All the parents dash the show. The verb is watch. All the parents. The noun is all the parents. It is plural, right? So we have to use are. So all the parents are. The doing word is watch. So we have to add ing to watch. So all the parents are watching. Okay. So WATCHING. Okay. Watching. Okay. All the parents are watching the show. Okay. The last one is they dash. They dash. The verb is enjoy. Okay. The noun is they. It is singular or plural? plural, right? So we have to use are. Okay, so they are enjoying. They are enjoying. Okay, if the noun is singular, then we have to use is. Okay, if the noun is plural, then we have to use are. Okay, if I comes, then we have to use am. Okay, so with that we have completed this lesson, children. Okay, so it's now your part. Okay, so how many of you have read the lesson? Yes, I hope you all have done, right? Yes, so keep reading. Okay, read the lesson again and again, and read book back exercise also, and the grammar part also. Okay, children, how to add ing to the given doing word. Okay, and where we have to use is, am and are. Okay, so read all those things. Okay, reading is very important. Okay, so read the lesson and book back exercises. Okay, children, and practice the spellings of new words. Okay, children, so study well. I'll meet you in the next class. Okay, thank you.